myself. My name is Wina Ningsih Simanjuntak from Building Construction Engineering Management Class 6B. Now I want to present about the parts of the tower crane and their function. Tower crane parts and function. The first is standard selection. It is a vertical part of the tower crane that can continue to increase in height according to project needs. This section is also accompanied by a ladder to make it easier for the operator to climb to the top. The second is foundation. Serve to transmit the load from the tower crane to the hard ground as well as a barrier so that the tower crane does not fall. In this section, the legs of the tower crane are bolted to massive and large concrete foundation. The next is sleeving unit, located above the climbing frame. In the sleeving unit, there are gears and motors that function to perform a rotation motion. Climbing frame. This section can move up and down using hydraulics that are supported on the standard section. Serve to install and disassemble the mesh. Machinery arm. The arm opposite the jeep that serves to place to the concrete counterweight. There are two ways tower cranes work, namely hoisting mechanism, traveling mechanism, and sleeving mechanism. Hoisting mechanism. Used to lift or lower the desired load. The working of the lifting mechanism on the tower crane are: the driving motor moves or rotates the steel cable roll drum that works to pull or stretch the steel cable. Then from the roll drum is forwarded to the pulley system. After that, the steel cable is hooked at the end, whose function is to put the load to be moved. If we want to lift or lower the load, we just need to turn on the driving motor, which will rotate the steel cable roll drum. Traveling mechanism. Used to move the load along the crane arm lift horizontally. The working of the walking motion mechanism trolley on the tower crane is a motor that is connected to a steel cable roll drum arm on walking mechanism that works to pull or stretch steel cable connected to a pulley system which at the end of steel cable is connected to a trolley that can move along the arm, the lifter. Slewing mechanism. Used to move the load as far as the radius of the lifting arm. The working of the turning mechanism are: the driving motor on the rotating mechanism is connected to a gear system whose purpose is to reduce the rotation generated from the driving motor. From the still high rotation of the driving motor to the desired planned rotation, the gear is connected to a turntable which is in the connection part between the tower of our main pole with the arm. If we want to operate the rotary mechanism, then we just have to turn on the driving motor that we will turn the gear. Okay, that's my percentage. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye. Thank you.